welcome back to my channel. I was finally able to get some retail therapy in Illinois, so I went about 15 minutes away to a couple of my favorite stores. Hobby Lobby and Kirkland's were both open. Unfortunately, TJ Maxx and Home Goods were not, but I'm just happy that I was able to go into a store and actually look at things instead of just shopping online. As you saw in my last couple of Decorate With Me videos, I went to Hobby Lobby and I got a ton of stuff because they are having some awesome deals right now, and I was able to go on their 50% off wall decor day. This week was 50% off table decor. I didn't really find anything there. I have exactly what I want in mind. So this time I didn't get from Hobby Lobby, but I was able to score a few things from Kirkland's. Kirkland's was not having a super great sale. They had some things on clearance and a couple of items marked at 15-20% off. Most of the items were still full price, but I did snag some items on clearance. I'm so happy I was able to go back into the store. I hope all of your stores are opening up and maybe everything else will be open up soon. So let's go ahead and see what I got from Kirkland's. As you know, I have been trying to add some color into my life, so this wreath was marked down a couple of dollars. I got it for $23. It's originally $28. So I figured I would go ahead and grab this since it was a few dollars off. It's orange. I'm gonna put this on the front door. I'm really excited to add some color to that area. Memorial Day has passed, but the 4th of July is coming up, and I have no patriotic decor at all. So they had a couple of cute things. It says "Let Freedom Ring," and then the American flag on the back. And then this cute little lantern, you can just put a candle in it. It doesn't come with a candle, but it has stars, and they had red, white, and blue. So I just got red, again, to add a little bit of color to the house. I am always looking for new picture frames. I just thought this one was so cute. And it is a 5x7. This was $10. I actually had my eye on this cute little sign the last few times I went to Kirkland's at the beginning of the year. It says "Happiness looks gorgeous on you." I just thought it was cute, and I was looking for some decor for my shelves in the guest bathroom, so I'm gonna put that in there. Wall shelf picture ledge was on clearance for $12. I'm pretty sure it was originally $25. So that was over half off. So I'm going to put this above the couch. This cute sign was $15. I'm going to try to squeeze this onto the picture ledge, so we'll see how that turns out. This was $13 from their flower bar collection. It's super cute. Again, I was wanting to add a little bit of summer color, so the pink is perfect. Last but not least are these cute appetizer plates that I'm going to add to my tablescape. There's 4 here. They say "Laugh, Eat, Gather, and Enjoy." So I'm gonna put those on top of the other plates I have here. I will make sure to have all of these items linked in my description box through my Like to Know It. I will also have that linked. At that link, you can go shop everything from my house. And if you have any questions about items in my house that maybe I haven't linked, or you want to know my paint color or anything like that, I get a lot of questions about, just DM me on Instagram and ask, because I am willing to find a link for anything. So let's go ahead and get decorating. As you remember from my Hobby Lobby Decorate With Me video, you know that all of this is brand new and that I am new to tablescapes. I'm really trying to up my game and find something I can use year round. And when I spotted these appetizer plates for only $15 for a set of 4, I knew I had to jump on them. I think they were the perfect accent for this tablescape. I was needing something with little texture, and I never thought of adding plates with words that weren't redone. So when I saw these, I was really happy with how they looked, and for the price, I couldn't beat it. So I grabbed them, and I'm so glad I did. The hello sign that I have had on my front door is from my favorite local sign maker, Simply Eden Acre. I will make sure to link her Facebook page down below because she is so talented. I actually just ended up moving that sign to a different door because I knew I wanted to keep it up, but I wanted to put my Kirkland's wreath in the front door just to add to my summer look and give a little bit of color to the front area. And when I was going to switch out for the wreath, I noticed my door was so dirty, like embarrassingly dirty. And I know we cleaned it when we first moved in, but I have forgotten to do it with my deep cleaning. So I took this opportunity to clean both doors, and then I got my wreath hung up, and I absolutely love it. while ago, I had posted a picture of this shelf on my Instagram story with a poll asking you guys if I should change the space or not. You guys said yes, and I 100% agreed. So whenever I saw this picture ledge shelf on clearance at Kirkland'S, I just thought that would be the perfect addition. Austin was nice enough to hang it up for me, so while he was doing that, I went ahead and dusted off everything in my living room, like my TV stand and my bookcase, and I added my patriotic decor to the bookcase to the TV stand, because I really didn't know where else to put it. I don't have a lot of patriotic decor. This was actually the first I had bought, because when we were renting, I didn't decorate a ton, and we moved into this house around Christmas time. So really, when it comes to seasonal decor, all I have is Christmas decor. So I'm hoping that maybe next year I will have more spring and summer decor, but really I've just been working on getting the house neutral, so whatever I want up year round is going to be there, and then I'm going to work on seasonal decor later. And I'm almost happy with how the house looks for my year round look. So I know I'm going to go all out for Christmas because I got a ton of clearance items, and I have totes and totes of Christmas stuff and fall stuff. That is my favorite time of year. So for now, I'll just stick with my 2 little pieces of patriotic decor, and I'll try again next year. I am very happy with how the picture ledge looks here. It is more simple, which is the look that I'm going for. And for the decor, I actually went by the box. So on the box, it had a picture of a framed plant, which is similar to actually what I got, and then 1 or 2 picture frames. I just got 1 for now because I wasn't sure, and then just a cute little like flower on the edge. The jar that I got was a little too big, and I still need to add a picture to the picture frame, but I'm actually really happy with how this has turned out. Like I said, it's more of a simple look, which is definitely what I'm going for, and I think it looks much less cluttered and cuter than the shelf that I had from TJ Maxx. I'm very happy with how this turned out. So now that that is up, I'm just going to go ahead and get all the dust off of the couch and go ahead and tidy up and vacuum the rest of the living room so it's nice and clean. Last piece of decor I had was that cute little sign. I had just stuck it on a shelf for now, but I will have a video uploaded this Thursday with a more in-depth look at the decor in both bathrooms and a small renovation in the master bathroom. I am so happy that I got some much needed retail therapy and got to add some cute accents to my house. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite piece of decor was, and if you have any of this, I would love to know. If you don't and you want it, you can use the links below or in my like to know it to go get all of this. I will make sure to have it all linked. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future upcoming videos like my bathroom makeover coming up this week. Don't forget to find me on Instagram for daily updates, DIYs, and more. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.